Welcome back to Broncos and Parts Garage. My name's Chris. If you're new to the channel, please stick around to the end of the video and you'll see additional links of content I've already created and uploaded. Today's video, we're going to remove the dash pad. It seems like kind of a daunting task, and I've gotten a few emails and requests on how to do it, but it is fairly simple. Basically, you just need a 10mm wrench. It helps if it's got a ratcheting end on it once you're behind the dash. Probably the longest and most difficult part is removing the componentry out of the way to get to the dash pad. I've already released a video, and I'll put a link in the description below on how to remove your radio. The glove box comes out fairly simple. Again, that can be seen in my how to replace your heater core video. I show you how to lower it down to the right angle to pop it off the clips. Taking out your AC controls, you need a 7mm socket or a T20 driver to remove it and pull it out, and then disconnect your clips. It's fairly simple. So I'm going to grab another dash pad to show you what the back side of this looks like. Let's get started. All right, here's a scrap dash pad that's been removed from a different truck. Now, certain years had more attachments in the back. This truck is a 1995 truck that was built in February 95. So it'll have one more of these studs and nuts coming out of this little winglet right here that goes right here. So you have to get down low and get that one out, and then remove the rest of these nuts off the back. So let's get started. Most of you will be removing the dash pad, and you'll have your radio out, you'll have your HVAC controls out or loose dangling out. Most of you won't have your dash bezel removed, so I'll do it without sticking my hand this way. I've got really big hands, so it's kind of a mess getting my hands in here in the first place, but we'll get this on here and we will start loosening up this 10mm nut. And once you get it pretty loose, you can usually go in there with your fingers and loosen it the rest of the way. I would save them, because if you buy a new dash pad, sometimes they don't come with the nut, and they have a little washer on the back side. So there's the first one. Now, according to this, I've got one right up here up on the top. Oh, let's see here. Big fat fingers I got. That one might already be loose enough. Yeah, that one's loose too, so we can spin that off with our fingers. Oh, I dropped that one in the ashtray. So we'll get that nut later. Next one is going to be right here. Once again, once you break it loose, they should unscrew fairly easy. The rest of the screws you'll be able to access from inside the glove box. And again, once you loosen these up, they come out pretty easy. looks like we got them all out. So it should be a matter of just gently pulling this out. And you've got your dash pad out. This one will probably be put up for sale. It does have two little flaws, but most of the time people send me pictures of their dash pads. It looks like the Monster Energy drink where they've been ripped to shreds. So that's not too bad. You can try to find ones that are perfect, but that's not too bad. Thanks for sticking around and watching the video this far. I hope you found it informative and it helped you with your project. If you have any questions or concerns, please put them in the comment section below. I'd love to hear from you. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and I'll see you next time.